Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I am showing you how I made this Peeps Easter wreath using 3 different colors of 6-inch Deco mesh from Dollar Tree. You're going to need 1 wire wreath form from Dollar Tree. You're going to need 6 rolls of the 6-inch Deco mesh, 2 of each color. And you're going to need some pipe cleaners cut in half to get started. So you'll want to take your Deco mesh and you're going to gather it in your hand, and we're going to be using the 2 center wires. So you just take your pipe cleaner and wrap it carefully around the Deco mesh, and then go to the back and give the pipe cleaners a few twists and fold them down. And then you'll want to tuck the end to the back side of your wreath. Now we're going to be using 3 colors, and so for this wreath I am going to have my purple Deco mesh on top, the white in the center, and the pink on bottom. Now I'm going to keep this same pattern all the way around my entire wreath, purple, white, pink, because when I get ready to separate the loops, the pink will go to the inner circle, the white will stay in the middle, and the purple will be on the outer circle. We are going to be using the bubble method, so you're going to take your hand, slide your hand down your Deco mesh about 8 inches and make your first bubble. Then you're going to take your pipe cleaner that you cut in half, and you're going to wrap it around your Deco mesh around the 2 center wires, go to the back and give the pipe cleaner a few twists and fold it down. Then push your bubble forward. Same steps. Make sure you keep your Deco mesh in the same order. So purple on top, white in the center, and pink on bottom. And then you're going to when you slide your hand, you're kind of taking the outer edges of your mesh and kind of rolling them inward when you make your bubble. So just slide your hand down your Deco mesh 7 or 8 inches and make another bubble. Take your pipe cleaner and wrap it around your Deco mesh, and we're using the center 2 wires only. Give your pipe cleaners a few twists and fold them down, and then push your bubble forward. Now you're going to do this same process all the way around your wreath. So you're making 7 or 8 inch bubbles each time. Try to keep your Deco mesh flat and don't let it get twisted up when you're making your bubbles. So just be patient and slide your hand down it about 7 or 8 inches, make your bubble, attach it with your pipe cleaner, and push it forward. Now I only used 6 rolls of the 6-inch Deco mesh for this wreath, 2 purples, 2 pinks, and 2 whites. So I was able to do 7 bubbles per section using the 6 rolls. So if you want it fuller than this, then you might want to pick up 9 rolls instead of just 6. I didn't have any Deco mesh left over. It took all 6 rolls. And now I'm taking my loops and I'm separating them. So the color that was on bottom is going to the left, the inner circle. The color that was in the middle is staying in the center, and the color that was on top is going to the right, to my outer circle. So the pink's my inner circle, the white the middle, and the right, the purple, is the outer circle. You do not have to separate the loops if you do not want to. It looks very pretty without doing anything else to it. But I kind of wanted to separate the loops so that you can see all 3 colors, and it makes kind of a line, or maybe like a rainbow effect when you get them all lined up and separated. Now just make sure you're not skipping any of your loops, because it will show up when you hang it up and you'll see where you skipped one. So kind of double check all the way around to make sure you have gotten all of your loops separated. I picked up this Deco mesh at Dollar Tree in the Easter section, and sometimes the Deco mesh on each roll doesn't have the same amount, so sometimes one color runs out before the other does. So if you can find extras, I would recommend buying extras just to be safe. You can make this wreath in whatever color Deco mesh you would like. You can make it for any season, any holiday. I'm making mine for Easter for my daughter's bedroom door. So here I'm taking 2 of the Easter egg garlands that I picked up at Dollar Tree, and I am just wrapping the garland around the wreath, and then I'm going to go back and hot glue the eggs in place. Just be very careful when you're using your hot glue gun. And then you can dress this wreath up however you want. I just kind of kept it simple. I did tie a bow, but my daughter and I decided it looked better without adding the bow, so we left it off. But this is her wreath, and so I kind of let her pick out what she wanted on her wreath. And so we were at Big Lots this afternoon, and she found a miniature, it's kind of a squishy Peep pillow, and so that's what we got for the center of the wreath for her. And we had to attach it to the wreath. She just flipped it over to the back and took some thread and made a few loops so that we could wire it on the wreath, and that way it doesn't damage it either. She can take it off and reuse it whenever she would like. Right now, Dollar Tree has a lot of cute signs, so if you don't want to add a peep, Dollar Tree has lots of cute options out right now. And it looks very pretty with just the Easter eggs, so you don't really have to do anything else to it if you do not want to. And today, Parker was my little helper. He stayed right beside me while we were making this wreath. And then here's how it looks with the peep. We were going to put it on the side, but we decided it was a perfect fit to add to the center of the wreath. And so she just took some thread and made a few loops, and then we just threaded some floral stem wire, vertical and horizontal, so that it does not move. And then I just added a pipe cleaner to the top and made a loop to hang it up. Actually, I doubled the pipe cleaner so it would be stronger to make a loop, then hung it up on a nail. And so this is how it looks in the dining room. So it's very simple to make. It just takes a little bit of time, but I think it's well worth it to use 3 colors of Deco mesh, because I just love the way it looks with the 3 colors. This is the 3rd wreath that I have made using the 3 colors of the 6-inch Deco mesh, and every one it seems that I make, I say, oh, this is my favorite, this is my favorite. But this is my daughter's wreath, so let me know in the comment section what you think. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone has a wonderful Easter.